What does the future hold for machine learning and algorithms? Are we on the cusp of a new era of technological advancement? As we stand on the threshold of this new age, it's important to understand these concepts. Machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, uses algorithms to parse data, learn from it, and make predictive decisions. It's already transforming industries from healthcare to finance, and the potential for further innovation is staggering. As we delve into the past, we may uncover clues about the future of machine learning and algorithms. Our journey begins in the 1950s, with the birth of artificial intelligence. This was an era of exploration and wonder, as scientists first began to dream of machines that could think like humans. The foundations of artificial intelligence were laid, setting the stage for the future. As we move into the 1980s, the spotlight shifted to machine learning. Computers were no longer just following instructions, they were learning from data and making decisions. This era marked the birth of algorithms like decision trees and neural networks, which allowed machines to learn from experience. The turn of the millennium heralded the advent of deep learning. Building on the principles of neural networks, deep learning uses layers of algorithms to process data, mimicking the human brain's own method of decision-making. This brought us breakthroughs like self-driving cars and voice recognition technology, and then came the 2010s, where we've seen the rise of reinforcement learning. This type of machine learning allows computers to learn in a dynamic environment and make decisions based on trial and error. This has been key in developing technologies like robotic systems and game-playing AI. From the rudimentary artificial intelligence systems of the 1950s to the sophisticated deep learning algorithms of today, we've come a long way. But the journey is far from over. As we look to the future, we can only imagine what new milestones we will reach in the ever-evolving field of machine learning and algorithms. As we stand on the shoulders of these technological giants, we can only imagine what the future holds. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of machine learning and algorithms, witnessing the seismic shifts that have transformed the way we interact with technology. From the humble beginnings of these technologies to the intricate neural networks and deep learning systems of today, we've seen how they've revolutionized our world. The advancements in machine learning and algorithms are not just changing the tech landscape, but also shaping our future. These developments have made it possible for us to delve deeper into the realm of artificial intelligence, pushing the limits of what we once thought was possible. As we've seen, neural networks and deep learning are at the forefront of this technological revolution, opening up new possibilities and promising an exciting future. The journey we've embarked on is far from over. The future of machine learning and algorithms is indeed promising. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible, one thing is clear: the best is yet to come.